Good morning, everyone. First of all, on the auspicious occasion of upcoming Nepali Hindu festivals, Tihar and Chhath Parwa, I would like to extend my heartfelt best wishes to all my dear students and well-wishing friends. Today I am here with very exciting news. The news is by utilizing my very long Dasai and Tihar vacation, we have developed a mobile application named CLC Sir. This application is designed to be your all-in-one resources for teaching and learning activities. In this application, you will find everything you need like PDF class notes, lecture videos, live classes, and much more in one place. I encourage my every students to download, install, and explore this application to support your learning journey. To download the application, please click on the link given in comment or given in the caption. For download, install and login process, please see the full video.
Ashlia introduces CLC Sir app for best learning of students in collaboration with lecturer Tihar Chhath Sir. Welcome to CLC Sir, designed to enhance your learning. Here's the login screen you'll see upon opening the app. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Make sure to input your credentials carefully. Click the Login button to access your account. Remember to create a strong password for security. A successful login will lead you to the main dashboard. Feel free to explore all the features after logging in. You can also log in using your Google account for convenience. After logging in, you'll see the course selection page. Properly select the grade in which you belong to. You can download it from Ashlia website.
Finally, since we are at the test phase, so if any bugs are found inside the application, please report them to us. Thank you for being a part of this initiative work. Thank you.